Right guys, so I'm off to the car meet. Weather is really shit. It's absolutely pissing it down, but there is still some people going, so shout out to you guys that are actually still coming through all the weathers. Again, I want to say as well, thank you to everybody that subscribed, because we're now at 1,600 subscribers, 1,630 I believe, as of this morning. So yeah, thank you everybody that subscribed, and I sincerely appreciate it. And everybody that's bought stickers as well, again, I sincerely appreciate it. With your guys' support, we can make this go quite far. So yeah, this is going to be a regular meet. I think I'm going to probably make it every Friday, at the start of every month, maybe. I think at some point at a regular location, just so, you know, we can all see each other's progresses on each other's cars and that. So it would be something nice to see, you know, keeping updates, seeing our cars have changed, keeping these montages up. I'll keep recording every meet just so you can see the difference in each other's cars and such. And yeah, just some general car talk. So again, you know, if you want to see more of these meets, or you want to come to more of these meets, because I know a lot of people said that they couldn't come because it wasn't on a Friday or a Saturday. So again, like I said, I'm going to make it on for a Friday or a Saturday. So I'm going to shut up now. I'm going to let you guys enjoy this.
I put the team on my back, I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap, nobody ever gon' challenge me. Starting my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Everyone making excuses, I've been busy making music. They just wanna see me fall off, know that I'm never gon' lose it. Addicted to the chase now, people saying that I changed now. Know that I'm never gon' stand still, I'm treating the game like a race now. They really been carefully watching me, they treating me like I was calories, but really they can't get enough of me. They treating me like I'm a salary, they bringing me up in discussion. They wondering how do I do it so casually. I celebrate all of my victories, all of a sudden they all gonna be mad at me. Damn, I don't have time for concern, I just go live and I learn. Trust me, I waited my turn, living my dream in return. This is a given, it's earned. People been listening over the world, I've been making that money while I be asleep. I never ran to the money, but now all the money been too busy running to me. Ayy, I put the team on my back, I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap, nobody ever gon' challenge me. Starting my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around. It down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. I'm not doing this for the money, so don't misinterpret my last line. The weather ain't always been sunny, but I know that I'm gonna still shine. You never gon' make it till you got the power to go and develop a strong mind. Cause everything happens where you don't expect it, the journey ain't given a deadline. I'm going till I got a flat line, connecting with people like landline. I've been blowing up like a landmine, I put myself on like a combine. Knowing the way that they go and I'm ready for more, I don't wait on the sideline. I'm feeling like 2011 when Drizzy was dropping them hits like his headlines. I don't understand what I can't do, if I cut you off then I had to. I'm staying up late like it's fast food, the life of a rapper who in school. I don't wanna hear all the people who been trying to give me advice. If you haven't done it before, then don't give your opinion about what you think I should go do with my life. Ayy, I put the team on my back, I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap, nobody ever gon' challenge me. Starting my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down.
Right guys, so I just want to add this little bit on the end of this video. Car meets, I'm going to start doing them the first Friday or Saturday every month. I will do another detailed video confirming time and place, etc. But this is going to be the new place. It's an underground Tesco car park in Ilkeston. So if it does rain, it's not going to be an issue. You're still going to be undercover. So yeah, there'll be more info on that, and thank you guys for watching.